So it's time to replace my seal on the bottom of my garage door. So I ordered this, and this is what it comes with. This is the seal on the bottom. This is a double T. It also comes with a threshold that goes on the floor across the bottom of my garage. This is a 2-car garage. This is 16 feet. So both pieces are 16 feet each. You could get them 10 feet, 16 feet, or 20 feet, I believe. And it comes with 2 adhesives. So let's go ahead and install them. So this is the seal on the bottom of my garage. It's all beat up and old. So this is what I'm gonna be replacing. And you could see it's the double T as well. So let's take this off and install the new one. So usually these slide right out, but in my case, you could see whoever installed this one pinched it on this side. So I gotta undo that. And I saw the other side, and the other side is pinched also right here. So I gotta fix that. But I put WD-40. You could use soap and water or anything as a lubricant. But see, this one just slides out like this. So let's go ahead and take it out. So with a flathead screwdriver, I was able to open this up right here. So now I could just pull it out. Comes out easily. Like I said, I lubricated it with WD-40. It helps a lot. And on this side, I did the same thing. You could see it was pinched shut with a flathead. I just opened it up, pried it open, and it's out. The adhesive comes like this. It's sealed, so you would have to cut this tip off like this. It comes with 2 of these plastics. These already have a hole in them, so you just screw it in, and you're gonna need a caulking gun. Okay, I added the adhesive to the threshold. Now let's go ahead and stick it on. Here's the finished product, the threshold, and the garage seal underneath.